Let's solve today's daily. Have I solved it before? Oh, it's far back. We are given an integer n representing the number of nodes in a graph. Num sorted in non-decreasing order. Okay. Max diff. An indirect edge exists between nodes I and j. Absolute difference between Okay. If absolute difference between nums of I and j is less than or equals to max diff, then there is edge. The two indirect. Fine. You're also given a 2D integer query determine whether there is a path between u and v. Got it. So basically, we are given an array nums which is in ascending order. We need to find. First, we need to check if there is indirect edge. If absolute difference of nums of I minus j is greater than or equals to I, so I don't think absolute makes sense here. J minus I less than or equals to max diff. Okay. You're also given 2D integer queries. Determine if there exists a path between ui and vi. 0 and 0. Okay, got it. 0 and 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, obviously less than or equals to max diff. Let me check the constraints. Max diff is till 10 power 5 and query length is also till 10 power 5 u and v. 0 and 1. Nums of 1 minus nums of 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. Greater false. Nums of 1 minus nums of 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Wondering what is the difficulty here. There is path between node 1 and node 3 through node 2. Why? The max diff. Why not nums of 3 minus nums of 1? What is the difference? It is 4. Sorry, it is 3, right? Okay, it is greater. So, oh, got it. From nums of 1 to 3, what is the minimum? We need to take that. From 1 to 3 in the sense 1 to 2, 2 to 3, or 1 to x, x to n. Suppose we are having x and y. We need to find minimum. Check if we can go from x to y. Intermediate path, absolute difference must be less than or equals to max diff. This is only possible if every diff between x and y less than or equals to max diff. Let me think. 0 to 1, 2, 3, 0 to 1 possible. Yes. 1 to 2 possible, yes. 2 to 3 possible, yes. 3 to 4 not possible, okay. Possible, possible, not possible, possible. If they give 1 to x, we can oh, good pattern, right? If nums of I plus 1 minus nums of I is greater than max diff, it is not possible at I plus 1. If possible, I'll keep it as 0. If not possible, I'll make it minus 1. So here it is minus 1. At u and v is same, then it is possible. Else, if there is decrement at v, sorry, we should not check at v because there is no for till nums of I plus 1 we are making it minus 1, right? Then till I it is possible. At u equals to v, done, it is possible. Not if it is not possible. It's simple, right? Yeah, let's take let's go from, let me take n as the size of nums. Did they give the size? Yeah, no worries. Number of nodes, okay. Nums of length n, right? So no worries. I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. If nums of I, let's go this way, right? If nums of I is minus nums of I minus 1 is greater than max diff, okay. Now it is not possible here. Shall we take, can we modify in place? Previous, let's take 0 because we can't do anything possibility for 0th element. Nums of I equals to previous minus 1. Previous will become nums of I. We just continue here, we don't need any execution else. If it is not nums of I will be just previous, we are not changing, so previous is fine. Now let me verify this. One bit will be 0, nums of 0, we will take it as 0 here. Instead, let's do this way, right? Let's take into temp as nums of I minus previous greater than max diff I minus 1 minus 1. Let's put it this way, it would be easy for us. Continue. Nums of I minus 1. Now previous will be as this, no change. This makes more sense to me. Let's go. Instead of nums of I, assign temp. Now we got prefix where. Okay, now we go to query for const auto, and in is this vector int or parent vector int? Fine. Queries int, 10 power 5, right? Query value. Fine. A of 0 to be equals to A of 1. What is this? Yeah. If nums of v equals to nums of u, result dot pushback of. Let's directly tell this, right? By if again. Let's go. Vector int vector bool, sorry, result, just return result. Let me verify here. Sorry, let me capital D. Fuck the syntax errors. Let's go. So we have 2, it will be 0. Previous is 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Here it will be false, minus 1. Okay, here it is true. Oh, I'm not updating previous here, so it's not good. Let me check now. Yeah, let me submit this. Done. So here we are having a previous value, so no extra space here. We are having result, here we take O of n space. So complexity of solution O of n to create prefix array, and number of queries we traverse, space complexity is O of n. Let's go.